Hi, everybody. I'm just going to make another video about this last month on Outschool. Um, lots of things have been changing. School has been starting in a lot of different parts of the United States. And finally, this past week was the first week where everybody went back to school. So, my telling time classes were doing really well. The last 2 weeks of August, I was getting almost full classes every time. I have a max of 6 kids in those classes. So I was making really good money those last 2 weeks. And then the week after, the week of Labor Day, no one signed up for any of my classes. Nobody. So just to let you know that the market on Outschool has ups and it has downs. So it really was to be expected. Really doesn't worry me too much, just because knowing the United States that that week of Labor Day was really the last swath of kids going back to school. And it takes a while to reset. It's really and I've been talking to different or watching different teachers' comments on Facebook groups, the Outschool Teacher Hub, and lots of different places. This is to be expected. So, did want to give you a money update though on how last month went for me. I worked in August 2022 a total of 20.8 hours. So I made $41.74 an hour, which is still really good. Not nearly as good as July was, but was excellent. I made a total of about $870 in August, and again, not quite to my goal of 1,000, but the telling time classes did really well in August, but I had my camps end mid-August, and if I could go back and do it again, I would make the camps go all the way through to the end of August because at least for me in my classes that often parents see, I think, is a kindergarten prep, telling time prep, skip counting prep, getting your kids ready for school for the first time. I would have kept those camps going right up until Labor Day. I think I could have made a little bit more money with those. But hindsight is 2020, and now I know what to do with that. So, yeah, I'm really feeling pretty good about classes so far. I'm running a high school flex class for the first time that started this week. So making those videos in my downtime and also using my downtime to kind of re-look at what searches are parents making right now that school's back in session. And I went and looked at the Outschool blog. Outschool regularly posts, here's what parents are searching for, how often they're searching for it, what they're actually finding, and what ages they need it for. And one of the top searches was they were looking for after school classes, which is funny because a lot of my courses can be after school, right? But I've never put out after school in the title. So I went through all my classes and put after school because depending on what time zone people live in, my classes could be after school or before. It just depends. You never know. So since that's what parents are looking for right now, I put after school in all my music theory classes. I kind of marketed more as like after school learning, fun singing songs, like practice things that you are already learning in school, and now you can keep working on it. So, still my telling time classes, and finally got an enrollment for this week. Yay! Which is way more than last week. I had no enrollments. So, um, we'll keep you updated on how that goes because this is my first time teaching in the fall on Outschool. So, didn't really know what to expect. And I'm obviously expecting a dip in my income in September since I didn't teach at all last week. But hopefully my flex classes can pick up. I have posted a music theory flex class, a telling time flex class, and a skip counting flex class for my elementary kids. And those are always up. I have them booked. I have an open booking, I should say, all the way through December. So I don't have to go back and like relist them over and over. They're just there. And occasionally someone will sign up for them. And yeah, so feel free to comment underneath if you have any more questions. I got lots of questions on my last YouTube video. I love it, answering questions. And if you want a mentor to help get you through the application process, I'm happy to work with you. Feel free to email me. My email is down below. Bye for now.